And the race is on His Majesty from the outside. Yes, Joey. Tukmo moving up by the rail. Down on the inside, Ideal View, Maglev. On the further outside is Hot Gossip, Balubaran Sprite. Rushing up Spinal Impact. On the further outside is Hakuna Matata. Tukmo by some Tulang Spinal Impact. Yes, Joey alongside Ideal View, His Majesty. Moving up by the rally is My Purpy. Hot Gossip also rushing up. Rounding the far turn. Tukmo by about 2 lengths. Yes, Joey. Hot Gossip racing on the outside, taking the second spot. Another far turn. Tukmo still leading by a length and a half. Hot Gossip running in second. Yes, Joey. Ideal View, His Majesty, Maglev as they race off a corner. Tukmo. Yes, Joey down on the inside. And Hot Gossip on the further outside. Tukmo still the leader. Yes, Joey down on the inside. Yes, Joey, Tukmo, Hot Gossip, Maglev by the rail. And finally, yes, Joey, Maglev, Tukmo, Hot Gossip, Ideal View, and number 4 for your Super 6 is Cad Missile.